Flicker the Fearless Falcon. Once upon a time, high above the whispering woods, lived a very special bird named Flicker. Flicker was a falcon. He was a magnificent bird, a true wonder to behold. What did Flicker look like? Flicker had a strong, sleek body about the size of a big house cat. His feathers were mostly a beautiful gray, with some brown and a creamy white on his tummy. He had long, pointed wings that looked super fast, and on his face he had a dark stripe, like a little mask, under each bright, watchful eye. Flicker had 2 legs, just like you, and 2 sharp eyes that could see a tiny mouse from high in the sky. He had no ears sticking out, but he could hear everything. And he had a small, hooked beak, but no nose like ours. Where did Flicker live? Flicker lived in a cozy nest built high up in the tallest pine tree in the Whispering Woods. The woods were full of tall trees, not an ocean or a farm. He loved to perch on the highest branch and watch the world below. What did Flicker eat? Flicker loved to eat small animals. He would swoop down and catch little mice or even a busy squirrel. Sometimes he'd catch other birds too. He was a hunter, and he was very, very good at it. How did Flicker move? Flicker didn't walk much, and he certainly didn't swim. Flicker was a champion flyer. He would fly, fly, fly. He could flap his wings quickly or just glide on the wind. But the most amazing thing? Flicker could dive. He would fold his wings back and zoom down from the sky at incredible speeds. Zoom, zoom. He was the fastest bird in the sky. What sounds did Flicker make? Flicker would make a sharp, loud kek-kek-kek sound. It was like he was saying, "I'm here, I'm Flicker, kek-kek-kek." Sometimes it sounded like a proud, happy cry. Here's a fun fact about falcons like Flicker. Do you know how fast they can fly when they dive? They can dive faster than a car on the highway. They are the fastest animal on Earth when they dive for their food. Isn't that amazing? Flicker loved to dive. He was a speedy sky dancer. Another fun fact, falcons are very clever hunters. They use their super eyesight to spot their dinner from way, way up high. They can see things you can't even imagine seeing from the ground. Flicker was a very important part of the Whispering Woods. He kept the mouse population just right, and he reminded everyone that the sky was a place of wonder and speed. So, next time you look up, remember Flicker, the fearless falcon, soaring high above, a true marvel of the sky. Kek-kek-kek. The end.